running. LAPD group stalking. In concert, driving in the parking lot. This is still a remaining sunset. This is the same street where you're looking at the sun over me at the entrance of at 937. And that is license 9F VF B37. And they're going to federal prison. Substantially similar. I want to make sure I document this. They're doing so while the entity is amplifying helicopter activity inside of my apartment. That's light activity. That's demonic pacing as they drive in and out. They come onto the crime scene, meaning the people of the state. They drive all around the crime scene, up and down Alvarado, and maintaining the elements of monitoring while they're engaging in a sex offense, while they're also engaged in federal stalking. And this is impunity, and this third party in particular is going to federal prison. They're acting in concert with the entity that's sounding helicopter and has continuously done so, and this is also documentation of what is impunity. While they're aware they're being documented, they continuously engage in it. That's the same pattern of conduct. I already documented that Jeep Cherokee. They're going to federal prison. It is currently 7:45 p.m. This is impossible light activity, as is this impossible light activity on my bed. The entity is maintaining engineered light as though that is a sunset. It is 7:45. That's how you know what that is. Okay? The entity is engaging in what is maintaining light, and then the demons come onto the grounds, moving their vehicles or walking around, all right, while the entity is stalking in helicopters. That's Luke Powell and the third party. They're both going to federal prison. That's disgusting while demons are kissing. And they're engaging in what is relevant positioning. That's very pathetic in the same way that whole families are group stalking together. Let me be clear. It is, again, 7:45. They are indeed going to federal prison. And that's exactly what the entity was doing, amplifying helicopter activity. Those are demons. Those are demons in a helicopter. All right, and this is again relevant to what Speaker Companies, which is human resources of Heather Teal, who's engaging in this criminal system and then seeking to engage in what is criminal defamation, that is harassment as an entity, while they are directly aware of what it is documenting, what it is that they're engaging in, which is a criminal system, and doing so with impunity. That's Luke Powell in particular of 1860 North Alvarado Street, number 5. He and his girlfriend, that are both demons, by the way, they're going to federal prison, and this is ongoing activity creation, and it is so pathetic as they get out and engage in monitoring by kissing each other's demon-possessed vessels, monitoring, engaging in state surveillance with the entity that flew over in helicopter, and that is sealing both of their fate. But he lives at a crime scene, so he's going to federal prison, period. His demon-possessed girlfriend, whatever that is, she comes onto the ground to engage in state stalking. It's pathetic. It's pathetic. But it's very criminal, okay? She's going to federal prison for that. Let me be clear, they're being sex offenders while you're looking at that activity creation under what's not even sunlight. That's not going to create any light activity inside of my apartment, okay? That's the same exact pattern of conduct, and you're seeing the entity doing what? Stalking in helicopters, okay? It is 7:47 p.m. That's P.O.C.